What if I tell you in today's video I'm going to show you an AI tool which is going to be your personal chat GPT for all of your social media stuff. For example, I just asked this AI to generate a strategy for my fashion brand and it has given me the 6 post ideas here. You can look it out. And not only that, I can also add the to-do list which I am going to do in the future. I can also share it with my team members here, and I can also connect all of my social media platforms in this single platform. And there's also a bio page available that is going to help you with so many templates available in this dashboard that you can select to offer link in bio page for your social media. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to review such a really good social media managing and the automation tool with the help of you can do so many stuff. It has the calendar available for your social scheduling. It has the your custom handle for the bio bar. It has the website builder. It has the link in bio. So many stuff available here. So this tool is the Unum, and right now this tool is also featured on the Forbes, Mashable or the Inc, and this tool is also considered and featured by the Apple for the app of the day. So it has more than 20 million users right now available, and right now it is offering its lifetime deal, and in this lifetime deal you can get the 100% everything unlimited social media. You can connect unlimited channels, you can create unlimited stories, you are going to get unlimited workspaces you can create, and the unlimited AI credits to generate or craft your social media content here. So first let me give you a demo how you can use that. So the best feature what I liked about in this tool, no matter which page you are available, if you click here on the Unum AI, it is going to offer you this kind of the stuff where you can ask its AI or chat with its AI to do everything you want to do it here. For example, it is giving me for some of the examples. Okay, you can see it right now, or you can also enter a prompt that is custom to you for your brand. For example, let me go with the create a strategy for a coffee brand. I am just giving you a demo, but the real case might be a different. So let me click here, and now it is working. It can take around the 30 seconds or the around 1 minute or less to generate the insights, so we have to wait a little bit. And yes, we start getting the results, although it's still working phase. You can see creating the channel like 3 or 4 for your different social media brands and the channel. This is especially for the YouTube, like professional British tips, and this is for the TikTok. Okay, so from here I can change the channels. For example, if I go to this one here and click here on this icon, you can see this is for the Facebook, and let me select any of these ones. Okay, I also got this custom prompt here to taking care or the notes about my brand strategy for this coffee brand. Like this is for the Facebook group. In the Facebook group first post I have to do engagement through polling, storytelling from farmers perspective, encouraging user generated content, informative weekly roundups here. Okay, and let me click here again, and I got new instructions here as well. And if I click here on the new instructions, you can see I am getting the more ways to add the prompt and generate the content. I can also switch between these, like this is for this Facebook group, and let me go to the checklist. Okay, not in the to-do list. Let me go to settings, and let me see if I can change the channel here. This is for the Facebook group, but although I checked that, it's also showed me for the YouTube or the Instagram, so I want to check it that one. Okay, so this is the grid view, this is the feed view. Let me go to the shift. Okay, this is adding the new. Let me go to the color map. Okay, this is color templates, add it to grid, and this is the upload content. I think I need to change the social icon. Let me see, go to the channels here. Let me select the Pinterest, and yeah, you can see right now this time it is showing me the okay, this is my Pinterest channel here. Let me select the Instagram, and this is my Instagram feed. Okay, so not only you can just schedule the post, basically it is also showing you your previous post on that platform as well. Okay, so right now I think there should be this stuff also available. Let me go to this schedule option. Okay, and here you can use this feature to schedule your content. Okay, so let me back to the studio, click here on the Unum, and if I go to here, like I have used this one previously, okay, it is going to generate the content. So right now, along with the reviewing and giving you the overview about this feature, I am also testing out this tool. So might be a little bit things you see here are odd, but this is the first time I'm doing the live review here. So I hope you going to love it. So let's get to the studio again, and here you can just check out and monitor or manage all of your media library. And if I go to click here, it will go to your options. It is going to show you the options. Using that, you can upload your media from your device using the link or the Dropbox available we have. And schedule I have showed you. This is the bio bar. Basically, with the help of you can create the your link in bio pages, and here these are the different templates available. You can select any of these ones. For example, you are going to promote the products. This bio page looks really good, so let me select this one, and now you can see I can customize it according to my need, like profile, social media. I can add these my social channels here, and this is how it is going to look like here. Okay, then let me see if we can also use or change its appearance. So let's go to the appearance. Yes, we can change it. We can choose the color, we can choose the font size, we can add the logo, and here we can create the multiple link in bio or the bio bar. For example, this is right now I'm showing you. If I click here on the new, I can select any of the new channel, and I can also click it here. So this is the different, and this is the different, and you can add the multiple bio bars here. Okay, the next one that I liked it here is the news. So here you are going to get so many posts and the steps to learn more about this Unum platform, their features, how you can those. Basically, this is their knowledge base and their helping center, which you can use to learn about this platform and how you can use its features. Okay, so this is the Unum, and I have showed you. And if you want to add the new set of your social media channel, for example, I have only collected these ones, and it has the options to available to connect with your Facebook page or the profile. It has the TikTok option, it has the Pinterest and the LinkedIn. Although it has not available the YouTube, I am highly anticipating in the future we can also see that. So if I want to add the new set of the channel, so I have to click here on the new channel, and here I can start connecting. Okay, then if I want to create a new workspace, for example, this is the workspace I want to create, click here on the plus icon, and it will let you create a new workspace here. So this is going to help you diversify your work, no matter it's your personal or the professional you want to create for your brand or for any other brand. You can create the workspaces and manage under the one dashboard here. So platform is really powerful, and the pricing that is giving us so many features, and the value is just $49 one-time payment here. And this tool is particularly marked and the features on the Apple App Store. More than 20 million users already available here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to don't miss out this tool for social media automation and the managing all your channels under the one hood. If you want to check it out, the deal, the link will be given in the description. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the tools, reviews, and the SaaS platforms. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.